Life is the most precious thing. When it exists, there is everything. If it doesn't, there is nothing. Are we taking this life as granted? Maybe. Life goes on, so do we. Every day, every moment we are passing just to get a better future. We are being busy more and more to get along with that better future. But does this better future only mean to have more money, better facilities and technologies? Doesn't our environment belong to this better future? If it does, then what are we actually doing?
One of the current problems of the world is pollution. In our project, the core problem we are focusing on is the increasing rate of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is playing a huge role in climate change. If we look at the carbon dioxide increasing level of past 10 years, it's quite shocking. From 3 ppm, it has increased into 3.6 ppm in just last 10 years. Can you imagine it? The amount of carbon dioxide in the air is 424.61 ppm. Carbon dioxide has the ability to trap heat in the atmosphere. Thus, with the increasing rate of carbon dioxide, there are different kinds of problems in the atmosphere. For example, global warming is increasing. The pH level of water in the sea is increasing, which causes acidifying seawater, desertification, wildfire, and many more. Our project aligns with SDG 6 Clean Water and Sanitation, SDG 14 Life Below Water, SDG 13 Climate Action, SDG 15 Life on Earth, SDG 9 Industrial Innovation and Infrastructure. The primary objective of our project is to reduce the increasing level of carbon dioxide and to make up balance in the environment. And now, the $1 million question is, what is the solution?
Microbes? Yes, you have heard it right. We all have a common idea that microbes are generally harmful for us. But there are some microbes which are really useful. Like this, in our research, we have found out that bacteria like cyanobacteria or spirulina, algae like green algae or diatoms are non-toxic and can be used in reducing carbon dioxide. Then they also can be used in aquaculture as biofertilizers. Now, we are proposing to convert these microbes in the form of powder or tablets and then spread them in water, air or soil in the form of solutions. These microbes has minimal level of producing toxins and they can absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By the year of 2030, we are assuming through our project, we will be able to decrease 3.6% of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Every year, we are expecting to decrease the carbon dioxide level from 1 to 1.5% ppm.
Thus, our goal is to make the world a better place to live. This is our world. Let's take weapon not to fight against each other, but to make this world livable.